Preparation of natural fibers by process electrospinning with polysaccharide gel from S commune to develop into medical material.
Introduction. Schistophyllum commune is a mushroom that can germinate all year round, especially in the rainy season, and is also popular for consumption. But the food waste from this mushroom cause further disposal problems. However, this mushroom has polysaccharide gel with antibacterial properties in therefore used to manufacture the filament by electrospinning, which is a method of producing extremely fine and copolar fiber for further processing of the filament into a medical material. Objective 1. To synthesize natural synthetic fiber polysaccharide gel from S commune using the electrospinning. 2. To study and compare the physical characteristics and the fiber cord linking capacity polysaccharide gel from S commune and chemical synthetic fiber. 3. To study antibacterial efficacy by fiber polysaccharide gel obtained from S commune.
Experiment 1. This was an experiment on the primary properties of a mixture of polyvinyl alcohol and polysaccharide gel, which work as the table. Experiment 2. This is an experiment on forming and converting PVA and PG. It was found that the PVA and PG ratios at 50/50 has the best percentage of sheet aggregation in a ratio of 100/0. Will have the highest solubility percentage, and at a temperature of 70 degrees and above, the film will start to melt continuously. Experiment 3 was an experiment on the inactivation of infection. The result is a synthetic material obtained from S commune. It is effective in preventing infection better than synthetic materials from chemicals. From experiments, some property and characteristics of polysaccharide gel and polyvinyl alcohol were studied. It was found that the viscosity of the blended solution vary with the increasing ratio of polyvinyl alcohol, while the conductivity of the mixed solution is proportional to the gel polysaccharide. It is inversely proportional to the ratio of the polyvinyl alcohol solution. This is because the mixed solution with a high ratio of polysaccharide gel will have more anion in the solution. As a result, the conductivity of the mixed solution tends to be higher. The study and comparison of the physical property and cross-linking ability of S commune gel polysaccharide fiber with chemical synthetic fiber were studied by testing the ratio of polysaccharide gel to polyvinyl alcohol that affect the combination of a homogeneous sheet and the ability to withstand heat. It was found that the ratio of polyvinyl alcohol (PVA) and polysaccharide gel (PG) at 50/50 was the most appropriate. It was found that the solubility percentage from the experiments was found to be proportional direct to the polyvinyl alcohol content of the film. This may be because polyvinyl alcohol contains most of the wastewater, making it more likely that it can easily become liquid when there is a suitable temperature to change the state of the substance. Can withstand heat well in temperature of 25 and 40 degrees Celsius. If the temperature goes up to 40 degrees Celsius, the film will partially melt and the film will not remain all. When the temperature reaches 90 Celsius, and from experiment to study the efficacy of inhibition of bacterial growth of its commune polysaccharide gel paste using the Keystone method and AATCC 100 test standard, it was found to be inhibit the growth of bacteria more effectively than synthetic fibers obtained from chemicals. This is due to the dissolution of the functional group of the galacturonic acid. The galvanic acid can join the cation is on the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria. This may cause the cell wall to be damaged, resulting in the mechanism it enters and out of the cell wall, and the balance within the cell is lost, and eventually the bacteria cell will die.